Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back with another unboxing, and this one is pretty magical, you guys. It's not only something that made me look so exotic and different, if you can see right now, like with your eyes. Look at my eyes. This is no filter. Yes. JUST4KIRA. They're contact colors that feel amazing. They have so many different amazing colors. The packaging is wonderful. And yes, you guys, I have them on right now. If you only imagine what color I have on, you can look. It just looks so exotic and cool. Anyway. Yes. Oh yeah. Each one is individually wrapped in its own iridescent holographic package that is so beautiful. If you guys know my channel, you know I love this holographic all day, every day. I usually have my nails done like this, but I decided to do a butterfly instead. Each one is only one contact in the package, and it's highly detailed with a lot of information, a signature on the bottom, her logo on there. Very easy to read information all the way around it. It comes with good solution inside, so it makes them stay nice and fresh. And it says it on the end right here what the color is on each one. So this one is like a hazel brown, and then you're gonna get 4 really high-end nice cases, and they come with a little tweezer inside of each case. I got a total of 4 colors and 4 cases. Yeah, I like that. I end up picking the green. Yes. And I end up picking the blue. The blue is more like a bluish gray, and then the one I'm wearing right now is more like a gray, but to me it gives me blue vibes. This is like my personal favorite. And we got the brown. So this is what the brown looks like this, and the green looks like that. And the other color I picked looks like this one. So, and the one I'm wearing, it looks like this. I just don't want to put them all in my eye. I want to save them. Don't be mad at me. I might do more videos of the more colors once I open up more of them. So I do want to show you guys how I put it in the solution. Lost in your eyes. I love that detail. This packaging is wonderful. It came in perfect condition. The shipping was very fast, you guys. Honestly, the shipping was like less than 5 business days, like straight to my door. Like, here we go. It was a small package, came in this wonderful box. Contact case with the tweezers. I love this. So remember the little clear contact cases? So when you open it up, you're gonna put the solution in here, and you're gonna lock it up in here. Make sure if I open it up, you make sure you open up on the right side so it doesn't pour all out. There we go. I love the quality. Some people use this if you have long nails. It's where you're gonna hold the contact out and you're gonna place it in your eye like this. And you can do the tweezer if you feel like you want to dip it in the solution and you don't want to get it all dirty. It's right there. So please watch my TikTok. Anyway, that's me putting it in my eye, you guys. It was very easy and simple. I did not use the tools, unfortunately, and my nails are not like extremely long, so it was pretty easy to use. Okay, you guys, the website is right there. That's my Instagram right there. You can follow me on there. You can leave me a message. Her lovely Instagram is right here. As you see, it's some gorgeous people on there with nice colorful eyes. You can check it out. I love it. Contact solution. And to open it up, you don't want to use this end. You want to use the end with no tape, and then it's like an indent cutout. Just pinch your nail on that and pull it back, and it has like a cutout for you. So one is going to be right, one is going to be left. So
don't forget to use my discount code and save 20%.
One is right, one is left. They're both. Ooh, this one's kind of folded. One is, see how they're in there?
My eyes are naturally a dark brown.
Corner right here. from the tray in here. Pour the solution in each one, you guys, so you'll have solution so you can save it for later. When I applied them on my eye pupil, that's your pupil of your eye, I open it up like this and I placed it right in there. I try to focus right in the center and I do blink and get rid of the bubbles. If it feels a little dry in your eye, you guys always gonna buy eye drops. Make for sure they're for contacts, not just for dry eyes. I recommend to not leave the contacts in there too long because your eye needs to breathe. And if you're in a really windy, dusty, dry place, that sounds like a hot mess, or a desert or something, you know, make sure you only have it in there for a certain amount of time. You can always bring your little cute little case with you and then take them out and then boom, call it a day. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to use them for a lot of my YouTube videos. I'm so excited. It's time to switch it up to my outfit. Look at what it matches. What? So I hope that information is very good. You guys, keep your hands nice and clean. When you are cleaning your contacts, you're going to place them in the palm of your hand. You're going to go in a circle motion. They do rip and tear. You want to be very gentle and careful as you clean them, and then you'll use the tools and place them in there when you purchase the contact solution. And I'm trying to think, is that all the information? Oh, again, when I placed them in my eyes, I didn't have eyeshadow. Like, I'm not trying to get all that glitter and sparkle and stuff. As you see, is not eyeshadow. I just have foundation on and a little bit of brown bronzer on and eyebrow makeup. So you do what you want to do, but honey child, I'm just giving you the tips. I don't want to be like having my contact with makeup underneath it and scratching the mess out of my eye. I do have a cat eye liner, and I had that on once I put the contact on. So I did my makeup. And don't put it in your eye if it's open. Of course, it's gonna be closed. This company is pretty legit and really honest. I like working with them, and they make me look so exotic. Like, do I look Moroccan or Brazilian? Or do I look mixed? What do you guys think? Put in the comments down below, and then I'll answer back what my nationality is. Yes. No, I'm playing with y'all. Anyway, I just love this so much. So thanks again for watching this video, you guys. And let me get ready to go somewhere. Yeah. Woo. Feel sexy right now, y'all. Just sexy. Like, what? My channel, hit that subscribe button right there, and I have more videos for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys. To help me on my YouTube channel, please hit the thumbs up and leave a comment if you can. Keep it good, positive vibes on my page. I really truly appreciate that because we got good energy here. Good vibes. I'm sending out good vibes to you guys. I would like to hear what you guys think about these contacts. Are you just going to continue with filters, or you want to look exotic, or you're good on looking exotic, or what the deal is, or have you tried contacts before? Come on, leave a comment. Why not? I want to hear what you have to say.